fanatics, welcome back to our channel. This is Yao Yao from Cowboy Fireworks. With Independence Day just around the corner, it's time to prep for that one night when it's totally acceptable to blow things up. Of course, legally. Today we're bringing our top 3 favorite products that will make your celebration totally on fire. Let's start with number 3, Celebration Day. Let me tell you, this one really lives up to its name. If you're looking to keep the party going all night long, Celebration Day is your go-to. It's the firework that screams, hey, we know how to celebrate.
Crank up the volume with a very loud celebration aerial finale set. It's packed up with a variety of effects, including red, spring, silver, silk, chrysanthemum, blue star, gold and silver spring, silver sunflower, and red and green star.
Coming in at number 2, Hero. This powerhouse of a firework product is designed to truly honor the spirit of Independence Day.
Celebrate the spirit of bravery with 2 Hero, a 20-shot cake that creates a breathtaking display of vibrant colors and out-of-this-world effects like gold wave palms and white and green strobes. This is a firework that truly embodies the essence of heroism and freedom.
Finally, our top choice for you is Great Ambition. This bad boy is the perfect one for those who want to make a big, bad statement for Independence Day. In the USA, we don't do anything by half. That's why Great Ambition puts out all the stops.
Experience an array of red, white, and blue that's as loud as our pride, and watch every blast burn up in a blaze of glory.
There you have it, folks, our top 3 fireworks for Independence Day. Whether you choose Great Ambition Celebration Day or 2 Hero, you're guaranteed to have a blast on 4th of July. Remember, the only thing hotter than fireworks is the grill. Stay safe and have fun. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe or follow button. And thanks for watching. Now go ahead and grab your favorite backyard barbecue. Cheers and happy 4th of July. See you soon.